Hi, I'm Steve. I just got off the Blizzard Magnum 8.1. Give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. This is a great ski, I think, for that guy who wants a ski that can really go fast. Somebody like me who's maybe getting up there around 50 years old, likes to ski hard and fast but doesn't want to work too hard on the ski. It's got amazing edge hold, great pop from edge to edge, very solid feeling ski, very similar to a Vocal type feel, but I thought it transitioned easier and quicker than a Vocal. And it's great for its 80mm waist, 81mm waist, so it's good for pretty much anything all mountain, whether it be hard pack or soft conditions. And it's really for that guy who likes to go fast and ski hard but doesn't want to work too hard while they're doing it.